Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from WyTy step by step. Let's jump in. To opt out of WyTy, first, go to the WyTy opt-out page. Fill in the form with your email address, first name, last name, middle name. Continue with your address, city, state, and phone number. Pass the CAPTCHA and enter the number code on the box provided, then click Remove Info. Your listing will be immediately removed, and WyTy will send you a summary of your request. You will receive an email verifying that your request is successful. Congratulations on opting out of WyTy. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.